This episode is brought to you in part by California Inspection Authority, Southern California's premier property inspection experts.
Hey guys, it's David from Trail Adventures USA, and we're on another Trail Adventure Tuesday. Today, we're on Old City Creek Trail. This trail ties into Adler Creek Trail. We want you to sit back, relax as we explore some of these forgotten California trails.
There are a number of small creeks that cross these trails, and they're all part of the Santa Ana watershed. The area has a rich history in early lumber activity throughout the San Bernardino Mountain region. The Highland Board of Supervisors had the area surveyed for a road back in 1878 at a cost of $20,000. However, the idea of cutting the road through the mountain range was abandoned due to budgetary restraints of the time. In 1891, a proposal was made by the Donahue brothers of the Highland Lumber Company. They wanted to cut a road at a 10% grade through the mountain range to access their timber operations on Harrison Mountain near the East Fork City Creek. In a rush to get the road cut, the decision was made to increase the grade to 25% and zigzag more drastically across the mountain range.
Hey guys, so we're about halfway through the trail. This is our time when we usually take our little break. Today's menu is going to be Mountain House Meals, the chili mac and beef. Once again, one of my favorites. If you guys watch any of our videos, you already know. And then we're also going to try the new turkey dinner casserole. That being said, it's Thanksgiving time in about a week or so. Remember to be thankful, guys. We have these wonderful trails, this beautiful country. Make sure that you take care of it and conserve this beautiful resource we have.
The fabled history continues. The following year, the Highland Lumber Company petitioned city officials to charge a toll for individuals using their road as a shortcut between Highland and the Big Bear area. They were awarded that toll, and in 1899, the Board of Supervisors retracted and transferred the toll franchise to Brookings Incorporated. Adler Creek Trail and Old City Creek Trail were also used to extensively survey the area's watershed by Highland municipal engineers. This watershed is part of the Greater Santa Ana Water Basin and still provides, although limited, municipal water for irrigation and city water usage to this date. These trails may be closed during different times of the year due to snow and runoff conditions. Make sure that you check with local authorities to ensure that you have access to the trails on your next adventure. Construction of the Santa Ana Dam, now known as the Seven Oaks Dam, started in May 1994. It was one of the last major dams built in the United States at a cost of $450 million. The dam was constructed to help reduce flooding in the area. Before the dam's construction, flooding was responsible for the death of over 100 local citizens. David from Trail Adventures USA, and if you've enjoyed learning some of the history about one of California's forgotten trails, please smash the subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next trail adventure. Due to extensive flooding in the area.
You said doo-doo.
Yeah, this is not good.